Explain why the following situations have sampling bias. So number 19 says, Tom collected data from a random sample of 500 students in his university asking whether or not they exercise more than 30 minutes per day. Based on the results, he reports that 32% of the students in the nation exercise more than 30 minutes per day. So most of the study is actually fine. The question seems well worded, the sample is random. It's just in the conclusion that we really have a problem. So he reports that 32% of the students in the nation exercise more than 30 minutes per day. So that's really where the sampling bias comes into play. So we can't make conclusions about the entire nation based on a sample entirely at one university. And that's because the university may not reflect the entire nation. So if instead he had reported that 32% of the students at his university exercise more than 30 minutes per day, then he'd be okay. Or if he were to ask university students all across the nation, then he could make a conclusion about the entire nation.